kitchen wild and free. Jollof rice and stew coming, you will see. Spices blend so fine, you'll be asking why. Stella Maris cuisine taste will make you fly. From Lagos to the world, I bring flavors bold. Pepper soup so hot, you won't feel the cold. Yam porridge so sweet, fills you up complete. Every dish I make, gotta stand on their feet. Stella Maris cuisine, where you go to dine. Every single bite so tasty, so divine. African queen cooking up a storm. In my kitchen, love is always warm. Pounded yam and a goosey on a Sunday night. Palm wine on the side, everything's just right. Burrito glowing green like the forest deep. Eat to your delight till you're off to sleep. Guyana farm soup might just change your day, leave you feeling good in a special way. From the heart of Africa to your very door, Stella Maris cuisine will have you craving more. Stella Maris cuisine, where you go to dine. Every single bite so tasty, so divine. African queen cooking up a storm. In my kitchen, love is always warm. Stella Maris cuisine, where you go to dine. Every single bite so tasty, so divine. African queen cooking up a storm. In my kitchen, love is always warm.
Yeah, cooking up a feast in my kitchen, wild and free. Jollof rice and stew coming, you will see. Spices blend so fine, you'll be asking why. Stella Maris cuisine taste will make you fly. From Lagos to the world, I bring flavors bold. Pepper soup so hot, you won't feel the cold. Yam porridge so sweet, fills you up complete. Every dish I make, gotta stand on their feet. Stella Maris cuisine, where you go to dine. Every single bite, so tasty, so divine. African queen, cooking up a storm. In my kitchen, love is always warm. Pounded yam and a goosey on a Sunday night. Palm wine on the side, everything's just right. Burrito glowing green like the forest deep. Eat to your delight till you're off to sleep. Guyana farm soup might just change your day, leave you feeling good in a special way. From the heart of Africa to your very door, Stella Maris cuisine will have you craving more. Stella Maris cuisine, where you go to dine. Every single bite, so tasty, so divine. African queen, cooking up a storm. In my kitchen, love is always warm. On a Sunday night, palm wine on the side, everything's just right. Burrito glowing green like the forest deep. Eat to your delight till you're off to sleep. Stella Maris cuisine, where you go to dine. Every single